blessed as if someone's prayers have been answered for me. Ratna Pathak is a Bollywood actress who considered herself very fortunate, and a major reason for this is that she has found supportive people everywhere. This support started at home, and her family has been the greatest gift from God for her. Often people face problems first and foremost from their own families, and those who face such problems often crumble before reaching their goals. However, there are some strong willed individuals whose courage makes even circumstances bow down. There are struggles, wasted time, and losses, but still the true purpose of life is fulfilled. But Ratna Pathak considers herself fortunate because she says, "My life has been blessed as if someone's prayers have been answered for me." Life has given her many blessings. There was a very good atmosphere in her family. There were never any restrictions of any kind. Her family was accepting and encouraging. She says that there was never any talk of "you can't do this" or "that because you are a girl." Instead, our family would tell us, "Why don't you try? You can do it." That's all a person needs from their family, a feeling of love and support. But unfortunately, these things have become so scarce today that depression and suicide have become commonplace in this environment. This is a reflection of the declining state of the institution of family. She says that she faced many challenges in her profession, but she handled them because she always had supportive people everywhere. Sometimes people even questioned why she was being cast repeatedly, perhaps because she was so and so's daughter or so and so's wife. But even then, she found people who supported her and boosted her morale. She received a lot of support from Satyadev and then from Nasruddin, who later became her husband. Praising Satyadev's personality, Ratna Pathak said that he would give challenging tasks and show me the ropes, which helped my career a lot. Nasruddin would tell me how to act and how to approach a role, and after that, we kept getting work. But what she says about the art of acting is truly heartwarming. People often learn by observing those older than themselves. In childhood, we talk about learning from older classmates or brighter students. Making this a habit to improve one's life has always proved beneficial because it shows us where we are making mistakes, where we can improve, and where we are stronger than others. These thoughts either encourage us or give us the opportunity to improve and move forward. They never let us fall or lose. This is the meaning of life, to overcome life's challenges with your unwavering thoughts and moral until your last breath, and to celebrate victory by helping others achieve their own. Ratna Pathak is Supriya Pathak's sister and Nasruddin Shah's wife. She believes that acting is something you have to learn yourself. You have to prepare yourself. No one can teach acting for you. An actor has to deliver dialogues as if they are not the righteous thoughts, but a reality that has emerged from their own heart and mind. She completed 3 years of study at the National School of Drama and shared her experience there, saying that during that time they had the opportunity to work with different directors. This gave them a chance to see different theatrical approaches, but there was a hug gap in learning acting, and it still exists. Regarding learning acting, she says that there it was like any good actor would pass by, and you would sit and listen to them for 5 minutes. They would say something, someone else would say something completely opposite, and this would go on, but acting is not taught properly anywhere, and this problem exists not only in India but also abroad. There is a truth in Ratna Pathak's words, because today's actors cannot compete with the actor. There is truth in Ratna Pathak's words, because today's actors cannot compete with the actors of the past, and thus older actors didn't learn acting anywhere because there were no acting schools. Back then, acting is about honing oneself, which is done by oneself. The rights that women fought for and established for themselves in the film industry during the 17th century, 18th century and 19th century are once again under threat. They will have to fight this battle again, and this time they will have the support of all the men as well. Just as Naseeruddin Shah's acting is highly praised, Ratna Pathak's acting is also widely appreciated. When Ratna Pathak first met Naseeruddin, it was at Satyadev Dubey's theatre. At that time, Naseer was married, but they became good friends. Ratna Pathak and Naseer's friendship deepened. Ratna Pathak liked Naseer's serious demeanor and his passion for acting, and Naseer liked her outspokenness. Naseer later revealed that when he met Ratna, he was separated from his wife and had a daughter. After that, Naseer and Ratna Pathak lived together for 7 years, and then Ratna Pathak spoke to her family about Naseer, which angered them. Their religions were different, and Naseer was also 30 years older than Ratna, but the family had problems with the relationship on all counts. Different religions, a daughter from a previous marriage, and actor had a 30 years age differences. From a conventional perspective, this couple didn't seem like a good match for marriage, but they did get married, and their relationship has remained strong after much struggle. The family finally gave their consent. They have 2 children, one named Vivan Shah and the other named Imad Shah. What is your opinion on Ratna Pathak and Naseeruddin Shah's acting? Comment and like, share and subscribe to the channel. Very thanks.